Hey, Simply Fragrant Home. I came across your listing and I want to congratulate you for having such great ratings on your product. I know how competitive this category can be, but with that said, it's my job to point out potential opportunities to sellers that prioritize Amazon. And if you're okay with it, I'd like to show you some things that I have noticed. My name is Carmina Lario and I am with my Amazon guy. I am going to jump in and show you some potential enhancements that your team may want to consider. Let's start off with the tool that we are using to check your keyword distribution. And I can see that you have 808 sponsored keywords in here, 2,300 organic keywords, which this one can definitely grow and improve since there are thousands of additional keywords that you may index for. Organic keywords can help you get seen on Amazon even without spending so much on ads. And it's great that you are advertising because it's insufficient to just be organically ranked just because Amazon has plastered all these ads. Of course, you want to have the same exposure on your product. And I sorted this data by the most research word that you may not be indexing for, but Amazon recommends that you do index for them. If you're seeing spaces like this, these are the one that Amazon recommends that you do index for since um this is part of your listing. And there you go. So let's put this one into perspective. Wax warmer for scented wax. Okay, that keyword. I would just wanted to give you an idea on how much this keyword earned from the last 30 days. So it's monthly revenue, and your ranking are on a triple digit ranking, which is 283, and it's not really benefiting you, but this is its total revenue from the last 30 days only, 637,000. And you gotta ask yourself, is this ranking sufficient enough to have a fair share on this um $637,000? Well, that is the importance of having the keyword distribution to be better and to be fixed. So with that said, I'm going to show you 20 through 50 in here. Let me show you what we do in our phase three of our SEO process. And you will see that you got 210 keywords that don't currently produce much for you. This is just 20 to 50, but you are on rank 40, 37, 41, 37. It's not really benefiting you. But don't worry, because here with my Amazon guy, we can help your keyword distribution be better. Advertising, grow your organic keywords with our SEO strategy. We optimize top listings to rank them higher and lift you up to the top 10 ranking. We can get you this helpful keyword expert if you take a phone call with me. We focus on strike zone keyword here with my Amazon guy phase 3 of SEO. Now, what creates conversion is actually the appearance of your listing. Let's start off with your title. You have 199 characters. Well, you can have at least 200 characters because this can be an SEO opportunity for you. And then this bullets in here, you should make it at least 250 characters on each bullet. More of the bullets in here because it's going to push down your competitor on your listing, and this is going to help you with your organic indexing. Six images and a video at least, or lifestyle photos like a photo of a human on this. And then did you know that with just your A plus content you can generate traffic on your SEO? I'll show you an example. This is Age of Sage by Stephen Pope, owner and founder of my Amazon guy, and as you can see, it has this A plus content. This is important because did you know that with just your A plus content you can generate traffic on your SEO? So you should have 500 crawlable words in a copy. This one, and of course 100 characters on each alt text in here. This highlighted in green words. And with that said, you can definitely have a brand story. You can talk about how you got started, what makes it so unique. And of course, this is another module to take up space. Your customers won't be clicking for a competitor on your listing. Of course, the more that your customer stays on your product, the more chances of converting it into sales. So here at my Amazon Gab, we are a full service Amazon agency with over 300 employees and we manage 250 brands. We grow your sales. You saw in this video and much more. We grow traffic to the PPC and SEO conversion rates to design and catalog merchandising. We give you peace of mind. We handle Amazon so you can focus on your business. And I'm hoping that you find this video valuable. We will love to chat with you further. Book a free consultation with us and we'll have an even more qualified Amazon expert discuss your Amazon needs. You'll be meeting with one of our account executive. I'll send you an email with a calendar to book with us. You just have to click the link. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to showing you more opportunities. Have a great day and be safe.